I think a lot of you are 16 years old. All right. So she's about 16 and she's doing finals too for high school. She's getting ready for finals. And she had some friends over. So they're working on a project. They're working all day on this project. They're working so late that they had to have dinner at my house. And so I told them, I said, listen, you girls are working so hard. I'll buy you pizza. I was going to buy a fancy pizza, just whatever pizza, Domino's pizza, medium 2-topping pizza. It's about $6. You can get a couple of them. And I said, you can order whatever you want on the pizza. I'll buy it. I'll pick it up for you. I'll get that pizza. And they said, my daughter's all, thanks, Dad. And so I said, you go talk with your friends and tell me what kind of pizza you want to get. And you know what kind of pizza they ordered? The first one they ordered was a cheese pizza. Cheese. I'd rather have other toppings on cheese, but I get it. Cheese is fine. I'll eat a cheese pizza. Right? Estrella, you like cheese pizzas?
Kinda.
But you'll eat it, right? It's not gross or anything like that, right? It's fine. Or are you not a pizza person?
Yeah, I'd just rather have like pepperoni or a different topping.
Yeah. So that's what I would rather have. But I see that cheese is fine. Cheese is fine. It's like cheese, you're fine. So they said they get a cheese pizza. Then they said the other pizza. You know what the other type of pizza they wanted to order was? Pineapple. Pineapple pizza. Nothing else. Just pineapple. Not pineapple and Canadian bacon. Not pineapple and maybe barbecue. Just pineapple. Cheese and pineapple. You know what I said? First of all, I couldn't believe it. I said, I've never heard of that. Pineapple on a cheese pizza. That's just terrible. So you know what I said? I said, I forbid it. You cannot order a pineapple pizza in my house. You know, my wife said, she says, Aaron, you're being crazy. Let him order the pineapple pizza. And I said, no. I think, you know what, honestly, I think it's illegal in California to order a pineapple pizza. I'm thinking if I order a pineapple pizza, I call it in, I go and pick it up. I think somebody's going to arrest me for ordering a pineapple pizza at Domino's. So my wife saw, no, you're being crazy. Am I not being crazy? Nobody eats pineapple goes with like fruit salad, right? Pineapple and strawberries. That's delicious. But pineapple on top of pizza? No, I don't think that's a thing. I don't think that is a thing. I think that like pineapple and, like I said, pineapple and Canadian bacon, I get that. I used to I'm not really crazy about pineapple. They call it the Hawaiian pizza. I don't know why. I don't know why they call it the Hawaiian pizza, because of the pineapple. And I guess the Canadian bacon's like a pork kind of thing. So anyway, I ended up, because my wife said I was crazy, I let him order the pineapple pizza. But is it crazy for me to forbid it? Say, no, you can't have pineapple. You should have something like pepperoni or something like that. Is that crazy? Or is that like, okay, pineapple pizza? I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's do a quick poll I do roll. Okay. You guys let me know what you think. I don't know, Brianna, have you ever had a pineapple pizza before?
I've had pineapple and pepperoni, but not just pineapple.
That's what I'm saying. Pineapple is something else, but only pineapple and nothing else? So if I forbid you to order I forbid it, pizza, what type of father am I? You are a crazy dad. You are an Awesome, Dad. Because you're saving them. You're saving them from craziness. You know what I mean? Anyway, you guys let me know what you think. I'm going to take roll. Because I don't know. I need to know. Like, next time my daughter orders a pineapple pizza, should I let her order it? Or should I, should I say, yeah, you're fine? You know what I mean? Or should I say, nope, forget it? I need to know what to do. Because my wife, and I'll show this poll to my wife. I'll say, hey, especially if, well, I won't show if you say I'm a crazy dad, because then she'll, I don't want to prove her right. But if you say I'm an awesome dad, I'm gonna say, listen here, honey. I did a survey. These students, it's like they gave me fatherly advice, and they said, pineapple pizza? No way, man. You can't let them have that pineapple pizza, right? All right, I'm getting. I'll make so you guys can see what the polls are. Look at this. I'm leaning towards awesome dad. No pineapple pizza in the Sanchez household. That's what I'm going to do. No pineapple pizza. No pineapple pizza in the Sanchez household. Okay, I'm going to do rolly roll. Here we go. Let's talk about what's going on at the end of the year. Today is the last day to do any assignments. Javier Abonce. Navid Tashbar. Estrella Avelos.
Here.
Here.
Olivia Bryant.
Here.
Anthony Campos.
Here.
Ramon Carrillo. Kimberly Cedillo Plata.
Here.
Christian Cervantes.
Here.
Brianna Cuenca.
Here.
Alex Garcia.
Here.
Kimberly Garcia.
Here.
Aaron Garon.
Here.
Alex Gutierrez.
Here.
Micah Hannigan Davis. Cassandra Hernandez. Kyle Hernandez.
Here.
Catherine Laura.
Here.
Aaliyah Lee.
Here.
Lorenzo Lemus. Stephen McNaughton.
Here. I'm here.
Lilia Madrano.
Here.
Camila Moffitt. Melissa Moreno.
Here.
Connor Olaso.
Here.
Laura Punto.
Here.
Daniel Ramirez.
Here.
Noah Reveles.
Here.
Daniel Reyes.
Here.
Liz Reyes.
Here.
Emily Rodriguez. Alexis Romero.
Here.
Kenji Sasaki.
Here.
Madison Smith.
Here.
Eduardo Solano.
Here.
Jada Stone. And Nikander Trong.
Here.
All right, here's who I've absent. Okay, I have Javier Abonce, Ramon Carrillo, Micah Hannigan, Camila Moffitt, Liz Reyes, Emily Rodriguez, Jada Stone. Javier, are you there? Actually, let me see if anyone's waiting. Oh, look, Camila's waiting. Okay. Is that who said I'm here? Is that Javier?
Yeah, that's me.
All right. I see you, Javier. Ramon, are you there? Micah. Camila, are you there?
I just joined.
All right. Liz, are you there?
Yeah.
Emily, are you there?
Yeah.
And Jada, are you there? Okay, I have Ramon, Micah, and Jada absent. Ramon, Micah, and Jada. Okay. Well. Awesome, Dad. That's what I got on the poll. You guys see? I think you guys can see. Kenji, can you see the poll?
Hmm?
Can you see what the results were on the poll? Do they show you?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome, Dad. Do you eat pineapple pizza, Kenji?
No.
I know. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. I think it's. I'm looking up on the laws of California. See if it's. What's that?
So 8 people in the class are monsters.
I think they're lawbreakers. Connor, do you eat pineapple pizza?
Not pineapple by itself, but
I know pineapple by itself. That's what I'm talking about.
a little
Madison,
strange.
do you eat pineapple pizza?
No.
Oh, look at Kenji's cat. What's your cat's name, Kenji? I remember you introduced him before.
His name's Skinny Pete.
Kenny P.
No, Skinny Pete.
Oh, Skinny P. Madison, I hear you. No, okay. So does anyone eat pineapple pizza? Let's see. Emily, you pineapple pizza?
No.
All right. So no one eats pineapple pizza. I think people are just being like, let them be. Kimberly Cedillo Plata, do you eat pineapple pizza?
No, not really.
All right. Aaron, do you eat pineapple pizza?
I eat pineapple on pizza. Wait, yeah,
Only pineapple.
no.
Okay, that's illegal. If you do, that's illegal. I'll call the cops on you. Woo, woo, woo. All right. Let's talk about what's going on. Today is the last day to turn in any late work. Okay? I haven't had a chance to grade it. Any late tests by midnight tonight. Tomorrow, you cannot say, please, Sensei, please, I didn't know. We were moving. We were doing this. I got in trouble, or I lost this. My car broke down. Whatever. You can't say anything. Tonight's the last opportunity because I gave you all semester. All semester. If you say, oh, but Sensei, my house burned down, which would be sad if your house burned down. Don't get me wrong. But I'd say, well, dude, you should have been doing it, a month ago in case your house burns down, So all late work, all makeup tests, it's due now, right? Tonight at midnight, okay? I don't want any sad stories. I don't want any of that. I don't want any sad stories. I have no emotions. No emotions. See this? Look at this. Like a rock. Like a rock. Oh, my Sensei. Like that, right? Get your stuff done. Get it done today. See me after class if you need help. All right, are there any questions on that? And we'll talk about what's going on this week. Okay, so all we're doing this week, there's no homework, no tests except for the final. The final is on Thursday, okay? That's all we're doing is the final, which is due on Thursday. Let me take a look here. Let me get to my Math 3 honors class. Okay, there's My Little Pony. Okay, so let's look at the weekly agenda. All we're doing, final review today, final review tomorrow, final review Wednesday, final on Thursday. And then this is just fake news. We're doing nothing on Friday. I will not be in class. It's asynchronous. After Thursday, we are pretty much done, okay? I will not be here. I will not be in class. We are done, done, done. We are done. After Thursday, you guys are all done. Yay! Noah.
Yeah.
Congratulations, you're done after Thursday. What do you think of that?
I'm excited.
Yes, I can hear it in your voice, Noah. I can really hear it in your voice. Daniel Reyes, what happens on Thursday, Daniel Reyes?
We take the final.
Yep, that's it. What happens after Thursday, Daniel?
We're done.
We're done. All right. Let's see. How come I can't see it all? How come I can't see it all? How come I can't see it all? Christian, what are we doing today?
We're reviewing our finals.
That's it. Let's see. Eduardo, what are we doing tomorrow?
We're still reviewing the final.
Yes, very good. Emily, what are we doing on Wednesday?
Reviewing the final.
Javier, what are we doing? Very good, Emily. Javier, what are we doing on Thursday?
The final.
Yes, very good. Cassandra, what are we doing on Friday?
We're done?
Yes! Strong work, Cassandra. Very good. Strong work. Okay, are there any questions? Laura, when's the last day to turn in your work? All 8 work, everything. Laura, when's the last time? Tell me.
Today at midnight.
There you go. Okay. Are there any questions? So let's review it. Okay, Pear Deck time. All right, there's the Pear Deck. Get on the Pear Deck for the final review. So we're back at school next year. Okay. Let's do the Pear Deck. Let's do it. Stick on. Okay. Is this direct or indirect variation? What do you think? You see what you got to put? Just write direct or indirect. I should have done a multiple choice thing, but I'm sorry, direct or inverse? Okay, we're gonna move on in 10 seconds. Remember, direct. Well, here we go. I see we're guessing because good thing we're reviewing this. Oh, happy face. Okay. Final answer is, boom, it's the inverse, right? Remember, direct. You guys see the board? Navi, can you see my board here? Or no?
Yeah, I could see it.
Okay. My pen's bad. Y equals K times X is direct. You get the Y by itself. So you say Y equals 3X, that's a direct variation. But inverse is Y equals K divided by X, or Y equals 7 divided by X. That's inverse, right? And you can see if you solve for y, it's 5 over x. So anyway, that's that. No problem. Is this direct or indirect variation? Direct or inverse? Okay, let's see what you guys got. Okay. Or neither is an option, yes. Okay. Let's show you in 30 seconds. Okay, time's up. You're the next chance and the price is right. Okay, because when you multiply, let me pause my music here. Remember, you do a table where you have y, x times y, and then y divided by x, because this is the same, because the multiply is the same, and this changes, it's the inverse. This is the inverse. I mean, this is the pattern you have. I'll let you guys write that down if you need it for a second. Are there any questions? You guys see what I'm doing here? I guess I should present. Right? So we can see here, right? Because I'd say x times y, I multiply the x times y, I get the same number. And since I get the same number for my multiply and a different number for my not multiply, it's going to be an inverse. Okay. Simplify. Go ahead and simplify that out. Simplify it. You have any idea how to do it? Let's listen to our game show music. I'm going to write it out, give you guys some hints. You guys remember how to do this? X squared minus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus 4. Factor. Negative 12, negative 4, right? But the negative 12, what times what equals negative 12 and adds and equals to negative 4? Is it factorable? I don't know. Let's do negative 6 and 2. Hey! So it'll be x minus 6 times x plus 2. And then this is going to be a perfect square. A difference of squares. Perfect square minus a perfect square. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 4 is 2. Plus and minus. All right. Time's up. Let's see what you guys' answers are. I'm going to check it out. Oh! I'm going to check out your answers. Yes. Good job, Laura. Good job, Nikander. Good job, Emily Rodriguez. Good job, Aaron. Good job, Lilia. Good job, Aaliyah. Now you have to say what x cannot equal. I didn't put that in the thing, so let's take a look at what this would be. I think you guys can see me here. So obviously, I don't know if it's obvious. Hopefully it's obvious. You know these cancel out. And it's x minus 6 over x minus 2. X cannot be negative 2 because of this here, because I can't, negative 2 plus 2 is 0. But also x cannot be positive 2. But the test is going to have you list that. And that's that. Are there any questions on how to do that? You got to factor, then cross out. Remember this? Blast from the past. Let's do another one, shall we? I think I'm moving on. There you go. Okay, multiply this. Multiply it. I'm writing it on the board. I feel like I should play some game show music. I don't know if you guys can hear the game show music, but I like the game show music. Solve it if you can. It is cubed y all over 2xy squared times 7x to the 4th times y cubed all over 4y. Now, we can, as you guys are solving that, we can factor these to prime factors. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. X cubed is x times x. Y is y. You don't need to do this, but this might help you. Y for my y squared. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. 1, 2, 3 y's. 4 over y. Okay, I'm checking out your answers. Emily Rodriguez, very good. Daniel Reyes, very good. Kimberly Cedillo Plata, very good. Cassandra, very good. Kenji, I think, yeah, you look good, Kenji. Vikander, very good. Alexis Romero, very good. Connor Olaso, very good. Daniel Ramirez, very good. Ali Ali, very good. Okay, let's go ahead. Here's how I would solve it. I think you guys can see me. All right. Javier, can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so whatever is above and below, you just cross out. 2 and 2 crosses out. Oh, I forgot to put the 4. 4 is 2 times 2. And so this 2 can cross out with that 2. This 2, anything above and below, you can cross out. X can cross out with X. And Y can cross out with Y. Anything else? Oh, this Y can cross out with the Y. Is that it? Is that everything? How many X's do I got? Oh, I got 7. Got the 7. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 X's. X to the 6th. Then I got 2 Y's. No, I got this Y. Boom and boom. So 1 Y, 7X, 6 to the Y. Boom. That's all you got to do. Let's do another one, shall we? Christian, am I going too fast?
No.
I feel like I should play some more game show music. Here we go. There you go. There's the answer. I'm looking at the pair deck. You guys look at the. Okay, divide. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. If you don't remember, I'll give you a quick hint. 7x over 2x minus 10 divided by x squared minus 6x all over x squared minus 11x plus 30. So it'll be 7x over 2x minus 10. What do I do to solve this? What's the first step that we should do to solve this? Let's go with, let's see, I gotta call someone on the flat lines. All right, Lorenzo, what's the first thing I need to do to solve this? Lorenzo.
Yeah.
Lorenzo.
Yeah.
Lorenzo, what's the first thing I need to do? Yes, Lorenzo, very good. You said multiplication. Lorenzo said multiplication. You didn't say it. I heard you in your mind, Lorenzo. Nikander, what's the next thing I need to do?
Switch the numerator and the denominator.
Let's do the reciprocal. Very good. Let's go x squared minus 11x. You want this? Is this what you meant, Nikander?
Mm-hmm.
Nikander, is that what you meant?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now factor it out, homies. 7x. Factor it out. 2x minus 5. Factor out the 2 times. Factor. You guys factor it out. You should be able to factor this on your own. As you guys doing? Let's see if there's more game shows. Are you guys writing this on paper? The best thing to do would be to do this on paper. You know what I mean? All right, let's see you guys got. See how y'all doing. Oh, Cassandra, beautiful. Emily Rodriguez, beautiful. Kenji, beautiful. Catherine Laura, beautiful. Laura, beautiful. Daniel Reyes, beautiful. Javier, beautiful. Connor, beautiful. Aaliyah, beautiful. Lily Madrano, beautiful. Edward Solano, beautiful. Camila, beautiful. All right, let's look at it. All right, let's take a look. All right, so, I mean, since I have it factored out, it's pretty straightforward, right? The x minus 6 cancels out. The x minus 5 cancels out. And the x cancels out. So all we have is 7 over 2. You just need to write it like that. That's all. Hey, Liz, is this helpful or is it kind of you already knew how to do it?
It's helpful.
All right, that's good. Because, oh, by the way, see how this says x cannot be 0, x cannot be 5, x cannot be negative 6? It comes here. X cannot be 0, x cannot be positive 6, that makes that 0. X cannot be 5 because that makes that 0. So that'll just be on your test. You just have to know that because we cannot divide by 0. Only Chuck can divide by 0. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Adding. Oh my goodness. Should I do a quick lesson? I feel like I should do another quick lesson on this, or should we just do it? Okay, I think I'll just do it. Does anyone need a quick lesson, like a quick explanation on how to do this before we do this? Let's see. I need a quick lesson. Someone say they do. Say, hey, sensei. Otherwise, I'll just let you do it. You gotta speak up, even if you're. Don't be shy. Because this is hard. Anyone? You only can speak up in the chat. You can speak up out loud. Sensei, show me how to do it. All right. Since you're all so smarty pants, how do you add these things, Estrella? Tell me what you need to do. What do you need? Has to do with the denominator. Estrella, can you hear me? Estrella, can you hear me at all? Estrella, can anyone hear me? Catherine, Laura, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
For some reason, Estrella can't hear me. Estrella, we just lost her. I think you had a bad connection. Steven, what do we need for this in order to solve it?
Do we whatchamacallit, factor 3x squared plus 3x? Do we factor out 3x from that?
Yeah, that's you need to do that.
Factor out 3x from both sides, yeah.
Well, let me give you a hint. What I'm looking for, because I'm looking for something very specific. Here's a hint. You ready, Steven?
Yes, let's hear it.
Okay, it starts with a C and rhymes with common denominator.
Common denominator.
Oh my gosh, you're so smart. We need a common denominator. We can do that with the factoring that you were talking about, Steven. So make sure you get the common denominator, then you just add across, right? You guys knew that, right, Steven? You knew that, right, Steven?
Yes, I did.
Oh, yeah. All right. So let's take, I'm looking at this. Oh, hang on. Am I presenting? I am not presenting. So 7. So Steven said, yeah, we do need a factor to get the common denominator. But I'll say 9x squared plus x over 3x squared plus 3x. And so my common denominator, all you basically need to do is you multiply like this, and I need that. So I don't know, should I factor it?
Don't you need to get the least common multiple?
Yeah, so I'm trying to think here. This is 9x squared. This is 7. We do need the least common multiple. So here I'm going to factor out an x. This is 3x plus 3. Okay. So what does the other have that this one does, right? This one, they both have an x, but this one inside the multiple has 3x plus 3. So I got to multiply this by 3x plus 3. I'm going to multiply this by 3x plus 3, okay? Now, this has the 9x, so I don't need the 9x squared, so I can just multiply it by 9x. And then these should be a common denominator now. So this should be 9x squared times 3x plus 3. Do I get the same thing over here? Yeah, 9x squared times 3x plus 3. So my numerator over here is going to be multiply 7x times 3x, which would be 21x plus 21. plus multiply 9x squared times x, be 9x squared. So then we combine, this will be 9x squared plus 21x plus 21 all over 9x squared times 3x plus 3. These do not cancel out because of this plus here. Don't do that or else you'll be fired. But I can reduce it. I can factor out a 3 to x squared plus 7x plus 7. And then that's as simple as it's going to get. 9x squared times 3x plus 3. Right, I just factor that out. Now, because it's multiplying, this multiply, I can reduce these two. I can just reduce that, which this will become 3. It'll be x squared plus 7x plus 7 over 3x squared times 3x plus 3. And that's how it's going to be. I'll let you guys look at that for a second. Any questions on how I got those? No questions? We can move on. Okay, I feel like I should play some more game show music, but let's move on to the next one. See, the answer, they didn't even reduce, they didn't, wait a minute. What did I get? Oh, I guess I didn't even need to, I could have factored out the 3 too. Anyway, that's fine. That's the last problem I have. That's the last problem I have for today. I need to make some more up. I guess that's all I have for the review. So I don't have any more review problems. I'm going to make up some more for tomorrow. Are there any questions for this review? Okay, listen up. I'm going to leave the rest of the class. I'm going to stay here for anyone who needs to talk about makeup stuff. You can stay. Otherwise, oh, the hiccups. The rest of you may go. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. We only have 3 more days of this stuff. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, Emily. Bye, Laura. Bye, Alexis. Bye, Javier. Bye, Camila. Bye, Cassandra. I love you, Cassandra. Bye, Danielle.
Sensei,
Yeah.
can I retake the module 10 test?
Yeah. Is that Camila?
Brianna.
Oh, Brianna. Sorry, I couldn't see. Wait. All right, everyone's moving around. Brianna. Okay. Brianna Cuenca.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Module 10. Let me find it. Oh man, I got the hiccups. All right, Brianna. Do you know the code?
No, I don't know the code.
8675309. Don't try to get in. If you can't get in, let me know. Do not leave until you're in, okay, Brianna?
Okay.
All right, who's next?
I also need to take the module 10 test.
Retake?
Yeah, I need to retake it.
Do you see the code, Anthony?
Yeah, the 8675309.
Yeah. All right, you're good. Try to get in. Don't leave until you're in, okay, Anthony? But you should be able to take it. All right. Who's next?
Can I retake the module 8 test?
Sure, Kimberly. Anyone else for the module 10 before I go to Kimberly?
Sensei, I got in.
Yeah.
All right, good luck, Brianna. All right, Kimberly. Module 8, Kimberly?
Yeah.
Can I also take it?
Who's that?
Estrella?
All right, Estrella. I can't see, that's why I'm asking.
Oh, no, sorry.
You want the module 8 too?
Yeah.
Can I also take it?
Yeah, I need to retake it as well.
Okay, wait, hang on. Okay. Okay, we have Kimberly. Okay. Estrella. Kimberly, Estrella, who else?
Liz.
Liz. Liz Reyes. Anyone else?
Emily Rodriguez.
Emily. Okay, that should be everyone. Let's see what the code. Anyone else? Oh, shoot, I just lost it. Okay, the code is, don't leave until you're in the test. Then you're going to be stuck and go, oh, Sensei, good enough. There's a code capital O. All right, who's next?
Hi, I need to take the polar coordinates test.
All right, hang on.